How to fix Instagram notes not working. Hello guys, today I'm going to show you on how to fix Instagram notes that are not working. So first off is to go to your Instagram account. So as you can see, I'm already in my Instagram account. So after that, we click settings on the lower left corner. After that, we go to the account section and proceed to the languages here. You click language, and after this will appear. After clicking language, make sure you click continue. So here we see the language. So as you can see, mine is in the default already in English, so you have to make sure you select yours also in English default. So after that, make sure you click allow. The next step is to update the Instagram app. So we go to the App Store or Play Store. So we search Instagram here. So here we have to make sure we got the latest updates. So if the button here says update, you proceed to update just like this one. So in my case, it says here update, so I'm gonna go update my Instagram app. After doing the update, we go back to the Instagram app and go to settings and then account. So we go here on the account status and make sure it's turned off. So that's about it guys. That is how to fix Instagram notes. Make sure to change the language back to English and update your Instagram app.